Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best magnetic plate is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any smartphone user looking to enhance their device's functionality and convenience, offering a seamless way to attach your phone to various surfaces like car mounts, tripods, or even magnetic holders on your desk, transforming how you interact with your device throughout the day. Number 5. Syncwire Cell Phone Ring Holder Stand. Introducing our premium phone ring holder, crafted from high-quality zinc alloy and metal for exceptional durability. Its ultra-slim design adds minimal bulk to your device. Featuring advanced vacuum ion plating, it resists color fading 5 times better than traditional methods. The polished edges ensure a comfortable grip for your fingers. Equipped with a powerful 3M VHB adhesive pad, it securely attaches to most smooth surfaces, withstanding up to 5 kilograms of gravity. This ensures your phone stays safe from accidental drops. Enjoy ultimate flexibility with its 360 degrees rotatable and 180 degrees adjustable design. Find the perfect viewing angle for any situation, tested to withstand 6,000 folds. This multifunctional accessory frees your hands in crowded spaces. It's also perfect for watching videos, making calls, or gaming on any flat surface. The integrated metal plate makes it a perfect match for magnetic car mounts, offering convenient hands-free navigation on the go. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile phone grip that does more than just hold your phone, this is it. Its ultra-slim design won't add bulk, and the strong adhesive ensures it stays put. The 360-degree rotation makes it perfect for watching videos or making calls hands-free, whether you're commuting or at your desk. What people say. The magnetic plate is very thin and adheres well to the phone case. It works perfectly with my magnetic car mount, holding the phone securely. The adhesive is strong and has kept the plate in place without any issues. Number 4. LISEN Magnetic Phone Holder for Car. Experience a secure grip with our upgraded hook clip. Its innovative design creates 3 gripping points that firmly attach to your air vent blades, ensuring it stays put even on bumpy rides. Installing this mount is a breeze. Thanks to its unique hook clip design, simply place it on your air vent and adjust the knob to fit. You'll be set up in seconds. Rest assured with its certified quality, having passed rigorous tests for magnetic force, signal integrity, and safety. It's designed to hold most smartphones and mini tablets securely. This car mount is officially certified by SGS RoHS and SGS CP65. It has passed multiple tests ensuring its quality, stability, and safety for your peace of mind. Enjoy a truly hands-free experience. With no buttons to fiddle with, simply bring your phone close and it magnetically snaps into place. It's incredibly easy to use, even while driving. For optimal performance, ensure the metal plate is attached directly to your phone or case, not between them. This holder is designed for square air vents and may not be compatible with round vents. What we like. For drivers who need a reliable phone mount that won't budge, even on rough roads, this is your best bet. The unique hook clip design provides a super secure grip on air vents, and its official SGS certification assures you of its quality. If you prioritize a mount that's incredibly easy to use with one hand while driving, this one is a clear winner. Number 3. Scosche MagicMount Magnetic Phone Mount. Securely mount your phone to your car's dashboard or any flat surface. Its heat-resistant base keeps your device firmly in place, helping reduce distractions and improving road safety. Enjoy stable, hands-free driving with this mount, featuring powerful rare earth neodymium magnets. Attach the included metal plate to your device for a secure grip, while the adhesive base ensures a firm hold on your car dash. Easily adjust your phone's viewing angle while driving. The 360-degree adjustable head offers complete freedom to position your device for the best view from any angle. Quickly access your device's controls and ports with this cradle-free design. It allows for one-handed use, while the integrated cable clip adds both convenience and safety. For larger or heavier phones, place the magic plate directly on your phone or on the outside of your case. For optimal results, wait 24 hours after applying the plate before using the mount. Mount your phone on your car dashboard with confidence. It includes everything you need, backed by lifetime tech support and a limited 3-year warranty. What we like. If you need a secure and stable phone mount for your car's dashboard, this is an excellent choice. Its heat-resistant base ensures it stays put in any weather, and the powerful magnets provide a firm hold. The 360-degree adjustable head allows you to find the perfect viewing angle effortlessly, making it ideal for navigation and hands-free calls. What people say. The magnetic plate is very strong and holds the phone securely. It's thin and doesn't add much bulk to the phone. Easy to attach and reposition if needed. Number 2. WixGear Magnetic Mount Metal Plates, 4-pack. This set includes both rectangle and round plates, offering great compatibility for all your devices. They work perfectly with any magnetic mount for a secure hold. These are designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing magnetic mount systems. They are ideal for use with or without a phone case. Each plate features a strong adhesive backing for quick and simple installation. Just peel and stick to your phone or case for a stable connection. Whether you need a mount for your iPhone or another smartphone, these are designed for universal compatibility. They fit a variety of devices and cases effortlessly. Enjoy a reliable hold with these adhesive plates. They offer the convenience of quick attachment and removal with any magnetic system. What we like. If you've just bought a magnetic phone mount and need the essential metal plates to make it work, this pack is for you. It offers a versatile mix of shapes and sizes for ultimate compatibility with any device. The strong adhesive ensures they stay put, making it a convenient and secure solution for any magnetic mounting system. What people say. Very sticky. Works great even when I had to stick it over the old residue from the previous one that had fallen off. This metal plate has made using my magnetic car mount effortless. The adhesive sticks securely to the phone case, and it hasn't shifted or peeled even with daily use. Once attached, the magnetic mount holds the phone firmly in place, so there's no worry about it slipping while driving. The size of the plate is perfect, thin enough not to interfere with the case or add bulk, but strong enough to work with the magnet effectively. Installation was quick and straightforward, and it feels solid once in place. Number 1. Scosche MAGRKI MagicMount Replacement Metal Plate Kit. This is a replacement kit of metal plates designed to work with any magnetic phone holder. They easily attach to the back of your phone or case, providing a strong connection for secure holding. These plates attach securely to your phone or case using automotive-grade adhesive. They are designed to create a reliable magnetic connection with your car mount, keeping your device firmly in place. Our metal plates are universally compatible with any magnetic car cell phone holder, whether for your dashboard, windshield, or vent. They come in different sizes to accommodate various devices. Apply the included protective film before the metal plate for easy attachment and removal without leaving any residue or causing damage. This film acts as a smooth barrier, protecting your phone. For the strongest magnetic hold, especially with larger phones, place the plate directly on your device or on the outside of your case. For best results, wait 24 hours after application before using your car mount. This kit includes large and small metal plates with 3M adhesive, a protective film, and a user manual. You can buy with confidence, knowing it's backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and a limited 3-year warranty. What we like. For those who already have a magnetic phone mount and need replacement plates, this kit is a lifesaver. It comes with strong, automotive-grade adhesive for a secure hold and includes a protective film to ensure easy removal without damaging your phone or case. If you need reliable metal plates that work with virtually any magnetic holder, this is a great option. What people say. The magnetic plate is very strong and holds my phone securely. It's slim and doesn't add much bulk to my phone. Easy to attach and remove, and it works well with my car mount. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.